Hey, I'm Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to share with you all my new favorite iPad mini foldable case.
I love the feel of this case. It is very smooth. I also appreciate how it easily flips over and you can easily fold it. And it's very minimalistic, which is something that I love. This iPad case is very easy to install. All I have to do is pick up my iPad, place it inside of the case, and as you can see, all I have to do is click all four corners. Once you hear that loud clicking sound, it means it's been safely secured inside the case. I love that these raised borders protect your screen from cracking, so I've dropped this iPad so many times, but my screen has not cracked, thankfully, to these borders. I also love the Apple Pencil holder. It's super convenient. I always lose my Apple Pencil, so having it right here on the side, ready for when I have to grab it, is really convenient. I also really appreciate the trifold design. It allows me to prop up my tablet and use it as a stand so that I can better use it when I'm watching movies or if I'm scrolling through Amazon, shopping, whatever it may be. It just allows me to sit back and be more comfortable and get better use out of it.
I really appreciate how practical this iPad case is, but that's just my point of view.